In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Binance login issues. So if you're trying to log into your Binance account but you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. But sometimes you might not be able to log into your account because of your reason. The Binance is not available for all the reasons. In that case, what you can do is simply try using the VPN. Install VPN on your device, or if you're using the Chrome browser, you can also install any VPN extensions. After you do that, make sure you connect to the VPN. After that, try logging into your account and you should be able to log in. But still, if you're not being able to log in, it might be because of the incorrect credentials. So make sure the credentials that you provided are correct. Make sure to enter the correct email address over here. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot password, that you can see on the screen. After that, what you have to do is simply follow all the instructions provided by the Binance. After that, you'll be able to reset the password for yourself. Go ahead and set a new password and enter that password in the login interface. After that, you should be able to log in to your account. For example, if you're not being able to log in with the password, what you can do is simply use passkey to log in. Click on this option, use passkey to log in. After that, you can see over here, you'll also be able to verify with the passkey. If your passkeys are not available, you'll also be able to find other verification methods that you've added to your account. Simply use any other verification method and you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, there might be some problem with the browser itself. In that case, what you have to do is clear the browser history. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, history. Now again, click on this option, history, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the new tab. You'll be able to access the history over here. At left, you'll be able to find three options. Click on this option, delete browsing data, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to delete the browsing data. You'll also be able to find the options like last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Make sure all of these options are checked. Now click on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, the data has been deleted. Now go back to the Binance tab. Now what you have to do is simply try logging into your account. Enter your email address or phone number. Now enter your password and click on the continue option. Now after you do that, you should be able to log into your account. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, you can simply use any other browser like Firefox, or you can also use Microsoft Edge. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. So simply try switching between the browsers and you should be able to log into your account. So these are basically the ways in order to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Binance login issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.